Hello viewers, welcome. Today we will discuss which one is best video editor in 2022 with a giveaway for our subscribers. So we will give away 3 business accounts. So do like, subscribe and share to our channel, and we will announce the winners in the next video. So let's go to our screen, and the video editor we are talking about is called FlexClip. It is a website, it's an online editor. So today we will see how we can use this editor and create some awesome videos. So for our example, we will choose a template video. In template we have many options. As you can see, we can choose like business and all. So for our example, we have chosen real estate video. So you see that it's super simple to create the video. So first of all, let's see how this template is, how the video is as is. Now we saw an awesome video. Now we can customize as we want. So we will click on customize and wait for it to load. It depends upon your internet speed, that how fast it would load, but I can tell you that FlexClip is super fast, easy to use, and there are a lot of options for the editors. So this is called story mode, right? So there are our clips are loading there and our music is there, and once they are loaded into story mode, we can edit them as we desire. So we will click on the clip and we will go to the text area, and we can change the settings as we desire. So in our case, we can enter the address 44 Street, New York, and we can click OK, and that's it. You can pretty much change just about anything. You can change the background color as you desire. You can change the font, you can change the size, and you can change just about anything for your video. Okay, so we are adding some transition between two clips. There are many options out there. You can scroll through them and you can see that there are many options out there. There are many overlays and there are so many exciting options there, and this is what makes FlexClip better than most of the editors out there, because they are providing this flexibility and these options in their super fast editor, right, which is cloud based. So you can choose whichever transition you desire between the clips, and you can just click on it and it will be applied automatically. So let's test it out. Wonderful. So we can change our another clip, we can change the text and data, or we can add another clip in it. We have the media option and we can choose the files, we can upload the files. In the text area we can choose the titles, we can choose the text styles, dynamic text, and there are many options out there. The social media options for the text made up for you, created for you. You just have to click it and it will be there in your clip. Then you can add stock videos. There are hundreds and thousands of stock videos available which you can use freely in your videos. They are not, there will be no copyright claims in it, and you can use it as you desire. Or you can use some photos, you can add music to your videos, and you can choose the backgrounds. As we can see that there are many stock video options there. So I have just selected a random one, and you can trim the video whichever section you need, whichever you don't need. Accordingly you can trim the video and it will be added to your storyboard. So is true for photos. They are all royalty free. You can use whichever photo you want, and you can just select the images as per your need, whichever video you are creating. It's like for business or technology or fashion, or if your niche is about animals, you can choose. And then there is music option. You can search the music, sound effects, whichever you need, and you can just select it. In the elements section we can see that there are a lot of pre-made elements out there, which you can choose to make your videos more engaging. You can use the logo overlay and you can place your business logo in the video. So there are many background options there. You can choose a new slide and you can add your own backgrounds from these stock videos. You can see that there are some exciting backgrounds there, and you can add a watermark to your video to protect it, and you can write like text, or you can add an image, whatever you desire. So just for testing purpose we will write our channel's name. It's your favorite channel, Learn to Glow. And as you can see that you can change the size or opacity as you desire, or you can use an image, as a watermark. And we can see that there are many sizes available. You can select the size as per your needs for whichever platform you are creating the video, and just click on export and your video will be ready to go. Right, you will click on export. It will ask for whichever quality. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.